The heating, ventilation, air conditioning, refrigeration, integrated education and training program assists immigrants and other individuals who are English language learners in improving their skills in English and mathematics. Coupling English for speakers of other languages with a heating, ventilation, air conditioning, refrigeration program provides a wonderful opportunity for persons to earn a certification and master the English language at the same time. This strategy fast tracks their journey toward career success. In 750 hours, approximately 8 months, graduates from this program will know how to install, maintain, and repair air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating systems. To learn how you can enroll in this program and begin working toward certifications in the EPA Refrigerant Handling Certification and the ESCO Workplace Readiness Certification, contact us today at myptc.edu.